Ma'am and Sir, I'm Crisanta de Vergara, age of 41 years old, from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Philippines. I'm a married. I have three children, a girl, age of 18 years old, and a twin boy, 12 years old. I have experience work in abroad in Middle East and Saudi Arabia. My main duty is to wash dishes, laundry the clothes, clean the home, and ironing. And sometimes I cook. And here in Hong Kong, I take care of two children, clean the home, laundry, the clothes, wash dishes, and take care of two children. The one is newborn. I come here in newborn. You choose me because I'm trustworthy and I love the children very well. I love to take care a newborn baby. That's all. I hope you choose me. That's all, ma'am and sir. God bless.